Hello, today we are going to be discussing on prime numbers. Prime numbers, let's go. Now, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers. Let's take some example before we discuss. Here are some prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are all prime numbers. Now, what is prime numbers first? Prime numbers are odd numbers. Prime numbers are odd numbers. Let's go. Prime numbers are odd numbers. Now, why is it called an odd number? 3 is an odd number. It's not an even number, because if you divide 3 by any number except from 1 and 2, except from 1 and itself, there is no other number that can divide 3. Now, let's example divide 3. If we divide 3 by 1, let's say example 3 divided by 1 is equals to 3. If you use 3 itself and divide 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Now, but if you use any other digit, let's say anything that can divide 3 except from 3, 1 and itself. Let's go. Let's use 2. 3 divided by 2 is equals to this is also saying 1 whole number 1 all over 2. And it's not correct. It's correct, but it is not giving you a whole number. So let's say prime numbers are numbers that when you divide them, that can be divided by only their self and 1. Prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by only their self and 1. So any number that you cannot divide with any other number except 1 and itself, it's automatically a prime number. Let's go. If you say 2 becomes a prime number because it can only be divided by 1 and itself. Let's go with 3. 3 has become a prime number because it can only be divided by 1 and itself. Prime numbers are odd numbers. Prime numbers are odd numbers. Note this. So if you want to know a prime number, just divide the number by 1 and itself.